If your food spoils quickly, even in the fridge, this girl has found an easy solution.
We opened this lettuce bag a week and a half ago and it is still good. And I'm gonna show you my little trick to how we make all of our food last so much longer in our house. I call it the paper towel and seal trick. I just take a regular paper towel, fold her up, stick it in the bag with the lettuce. I like to reuse the bags, not use more plastic by using Ziploc baggies. And how I do that is I use my little bag resealer that sticks on my fridge. This thing, you just turn it on with a switch. This is the sealer button and this is the cutter button. This thing is rechargeable, so no batteries needed. I push all of the air out that I can with my hands, and then I just seal the bag back up. You hold this down, and we have saved so much money because our stuff is not going bad as fast. This stuff lasts for so much longer.